In this video, I will be showing you how to use highlights and shadow in watercolor just by painting some simple objects. I'm starting with just a simple sphere and I'm leaving some of the white of the paper to show through as a highlight. While my sphere is drying, I'm starting on a tomato. I'm starting on this green top part of it using a straw to blow some paint just for fun. While everything on the left is drying, I'm starting on a shadow for a cherry that I'm going to paint. I am using a complementary color to the cherry, which is green. This way of creating a shadow, it's a little bit tricky. So I'm starting with the complementary color, and then I will glaze with the red to paint a cherry on top. And the next thing I'm going to paint is an egg. So I'm simply just creating a circle and again leaving a highlight. I'm also adding a little bit of a darker mix of the same paint just to go suggest a shadow on the bottom as well. The simplest way to create a shadow is by using a pale mix of a grey or a black paint, and that's what I just did on the sphere. And now I'm starting on the tomato. And again, I am using a darker mix of the same color for the shadow, just like I did with the egg. To create the highlight, this time I'm using a piece of tissue to lift some of the paint. It makes the highlight a little bit softer and the transition from light to dark a little bit smoother. Now I'm painting my cherry by glazing over the green shadow with the red paint. I'm painting the rest of my egg using the same shadowy, very pale mix that I used on the sphere earlier. Using the same grey mix, I am adding a shadow on the top part of the egg and softening it with a damp brush. Now I'm adding cast shadow to my sphere. I really like this part because I feel like this is where whatever you paint starts to look much more three-dimensional as soon as you add the cast shadow. I'm adding two more shadows to the egg, first under like the egg white, and then a cast shadow from egg yolk on the white part of it as well. And now I'm adding cast shadow to my tomato and to my cherry. When my tomato was still wet, I accidentally stuck my hand in it, so I'm just tidying up the edge with another glaze. And I'm also adding another glaze to my cherry to make the shadow look a little bit more natural. I hope this was helpful. This was day 49 of my daily watercolor practice, and the last video of this series is coming tomorrow.